Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best tankless gas water heaters. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Rinnai RL 75-inch water heater, 7.5 GPM. Are you looking for a tankless water heater to warm your home's showering, laundry, and dishwashing water? If yes, you should pay attention to this efficient tankless water heater. With this water heater, hot water will always be available at your home, no matter how often or much you need. The water heater lasts twice as long as rival brands in its class, and saves energy by heating water only when needed. This will save you from expensive power costs. Rinnai tests the water heaters individually for quality before shipping them to their customers. Also, Rinnai makes the most of the water heater's key components, allowing for more consistent and better quality. Lastly, this unit saves valuable space because it's suitcase-sized and does not take up a lot of space in your home. Rinnai V65iP Propane Tankless Hot Water Heater. Rinnai V65iP Propane is an ideal choice for a tankless water heater because it's super efficient. Being a super high-efficiency model, this water heater has a sleek design and offers several features and maximum output, ideal for the hot water demands of a sizable home. It is highly energy efficient and will save you from expensive power costs. It is small, suitcase-sized, and only occupies a little space in your home. Lastly, it lasts twice as long as other tankless water heaters in its class. Camplux 5L 1.32 GPM Outdoor Propane Water Heater. This tankless water heater is the best for portability. This allows you to enjoy hot water anywhere, off-grid or even camping. The water heater is designed to offer about 1.32 GPM, supplying enough water to wash dishes and take a short shower during camping trips deep into the woods, or road trips to off-grid areas. While it cannot heat enough water for an entire household, it will surely come in handy where there's no source of hot water. You'll also love this tankless water heater because it's affordable, compact, and easy to use. Which is best? Rinnai RL 75-inch water heater 7.5 GPM is the best tankless water heater because it's high quality and very reliable. It saves on space because it is suitcase-sized. The water heater also saves energy, which saves you from expensive power costs. Thanks for watching.